You know how to get a number, you know how to make a girl laugh, and you know how to build that initial spark. But eventually, the jokes run out, the conversation stalls. You end up placed in one of two categories: the platonic friend zone or the casual hookup. Moving from surface level talk to a genuine relationship requires a deliberate shift in the conversation. Today, we are walking through the 6 stages of building deep, lasting emotional trust. This process relies on a specific prerequisite. You must have already established baseline attraction and comfort during the first 10 minutes of the interaction. If you rely entirely on being the entertainer, the initial spark will burn out, leaving you at a conversational dead end. The first step is adjusting your speaking ratio. In the first few minutes of meeting someone, you do 90% of the talking to carry the interaction. But as you move toward building comfort, you need to transition to a 60-40 split. Speaking 60% of the time allows you to maintain the lead. The remaining 40% provides the space for her to share her own thoughts and invest in the connection. You will know this shift is happening when her behavior changes. She will stop simply reacting to your jokes and begin volunteering her own stories without being prompted. Balancing the conversation this way moves you out of the role of a performer and establishes you as a grounded partner. Step 2 is storytelling. When the initial energy of the meeting settles, share an origin story. Share an adventure you went on, a passion you dedicate time to, or specific events that shaped you. Sharing these personal details allows her to see you as a multi-layered human being, rather than just a fun person she met at a bar. This leads to step 3, mining for commonalities. Listen for shared music tastes, matching lifestyle habits, or similar educational backgrounds that emerge from your stories. If her background matches yours, tell her it's proof you were made for each other. If your tastes are a complete opposite, you can still be playful. Tell her it's clear you are meant to be because opposites attract. Combining your backstory with these shared traits builds a we mentality, turning 2 strangers into a team. Step 4 involves stating your intentional interest. As the conversation deepens, you must be clear about your romantic intent to prevent the connection from becoming strictly platonic. Surface-level observations are expected. Recognizing unique personality traits is rare. Focus on specific traits. You might mention that you love the energy she brings to the room, or notice how she goes out of her way to be helpful to a stranger. When you highlight these core characteristics, you show that you are paying attention to who she is. This creates a sense of being understood that goes deeper than a standard compliment. Step 5 is strategic vulnerability. Sharing a childhood memory or a past hardship invites a higher level of trust into the interaction. This is not an invitation to dump your trauma. Begging for pity creates an overwhelming dynamic that causes a partner to withdraw. Healthy vulnerability is about sharing your scars, not open wounds. It is revealing a difficult time from your past while showing that you have found growth and resolution. When you have built a history of mutual vulnerability, the bond is difficult to replicate. Status and looks are high-value traits, but they don't carry the weight of a shared emotional history. You will know this step is successful when she reciprocates by sharing a guarded secret or a vulnerability of her own. This mutual openness creates a sense of security that distinguishes your connection from a superficial date. The final step is future projection. Visualizing a potential future together allows both of you to explore the long-term potential of the relationship. You can use a playful approach by inventing a spontaneous scenario, like running away to a Mediterranean beach to open a small shack together. Or try a high-energy scenario. Suggest that you both pack your bags tonight for a wild, impulsive trip to Vegas. In a quiet, intimate moment, you can be more direct. State plainly that you are looking for someone you can truly grow old with. Placing the two of you inside a shared, vivid narrative shifts the perspective of the relationship. It allows her to see you as a constant presence in her life. To move beyond banter, you must adjust your speaking ratio, share your personal stories, find common ground, offer meaningful compliments, be vulnerable, and project a future together. These techniques must be rooted in total honesty. They are meant to foster a genuine, consensual connection, not to be used for manipulation. Pick just one of these steps to practice on your next date, whether it's monitoring your 60-40 ratio or preparing one personal backstory. If you are looking for advanced personalized coaching, our 12-week mentorship program is designed to help you build your social confidence and dating life from the ground up. Deepening a bond isn't about memorizing lines. It is about having the courage to invite someone to know the real you.